Yes, my wonderful people. Yeah, man, I tell you, today again, I on the road. Yeah, man. Big up all of my party them, all of my friend them. Yeah, man, big up all of the YouTubers them, all of the subscribers. Big up on myself. Truly, I can say God is good. Yeah, man, I know you can see something. I'm sure something happened to you in life where you can say God is good. Yeah, man, I'm sure sometimes even look at food, you wonder where it come from. Yeah, man. And God send somebody or make a money coming in your way. And sometimes I don't know your whole handbag, you go search. You search up your whole handbag and you find something in there. Yeah, man, a one bag where you put on for a very long time. You search and you find something you can get your food. Yeah, man, so I tell you, man, look up on yourself, man. I'm up on the street, man. So we and see what I go on. The breeze is blowing. Blowing. Breeze are so high, my people. Those are ships out in the water. Yeah, see them? Look at beautiful Jamaica, my people. Sally, I ain't not put more big up yourself. Yeah, man. And your husband, Jonah. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Sally. You know yourself already. Yeah, man, you know your husband. Right on the airport road. Yeah. So the cement factory. Yeah. That one is the floor factory. Enjoy this one, my people. Enjoy it. Yes, my people are back at airport, yes, back at airport. Norman Manley. Yeah, man. You run away over there. Like them. I see what I'm going back at the airport then. Yeah, man, see you shoot this one and this plane and go. Right now that shoot there. And then you load on right there. And load off right there. Yeah, man, see there? Right to that shoe there. Yes, my people, sir. go and watch and enjoy yourself. Just, you know, sit down and take in the please and thanks, man. Yeah, man, you know, so I do it. All the time I do it, man. How now make me do it, you know? Yeah, man, with respect and love, man. To each and every one, man. Yeah. Nobody have a look bad, man. Yeah, man, I want to go office like, you know. Yeah, man, I know how they have in this still. I'm just assume, you know. Yeah. Allegedly. I will want him. I tell you, I just assume. Family and friend, we didn't know one part look while the officer didn't come. Danger zone. We're not supposed to do this, so the man we move on, man, we have to move him. Yes, officer, big up on yourself, man. And thank you very much. We never know, so we're not going to do it again. Alright? People just follow me. Continue with me down the journey, you know? Yeah, man. Sometimes, you know, because some place you don't know, and you know see sign it. The sign just look a bit upside us. And that's how you go, you know. Big up on yourself, officer again. Peace, officer, you know.
Surfing, my surfing. We could have gone straight in Africa.